Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh, and in this video I'll be taking trade based on price analysis, and I'll be using the support and resistance lines to map out my change of polarity to do my trade. So what we had here was we had this from this part of the chart. We had this support, this resistance, a breakout, and this resistance turned into support, and we can do our trade here. It broke out again, it acted as a resistance, broke out again, acted as a support, acted as a support here, acted as a support here. Now it has broken down, so what's going to happen is going to act as a resistance if price comes back down there. So I'm going to wait for price to get there. This is the line here. I'm using this one. Okay, if I see, yes, if I see that rejection, I went with it. So we had this sub resistance, breakout, support. It came down again and broke out, and we had this resistance. So by the end of this expiration time here, okay, you can see it's going down as what? A resistance. Okay, so we'll go further now because we've used this part of the market. We'll go down and we'll draw other ones. And so you see here, from here, what you see, okay, you see this support. I can't really see anyone now. I can't see anyone. I don't want to force these lines. We have to wait for them to form. When they form, we can comfortably use them. Okay, now I can see some here. So we had this. Yes, perfect. We have this support, resistance, breakout, support, a fake breakout, and now we have this breakout. So let's see what's going to, how this candle closes. Let me draw the whole area of support. Yes, this is the whole area, and then we have this breakout now. I'm going to include this wick here. Okay, now we have this one here. So let's see how it goes. Okay, now see that this candlestick is acting. You see it got a rejection, so I'm going to go with the buyers. I don't know why this market is always it's always giving me late entries. I don't know. So I'm like I was saying, this is a whole area of resistance, support. So when the market comes back, it's going to work as a support. So I'm going with the buyers here. So mind you, since this is support, this is a resistance. You understand? Because I remembered I took a trade here. This trade here is it here. Okay, this now is coming back here. When it comes back here, we have to use it as a support, as a resistance, sorry, as a resistance. So let's wait and see how it's going to go. Oh, it's going badly because of the okay. Oh, I got that very close in the morning. That's a very lucky trade for me. So this is also like a fake breakout. You see, this is the main level, fake breakout. So this is also a fake breakout. So this is good. The fake breakout is happening. After the fake breakout happens, that means when this candle closes above this line here, you can see that the fake breakout has been confirmed. Now, when it closes above it, it's going to come down back to this line, and I'm going to go for my trade. So that's okay. It's going above, far above it. Okay, it's going far above it, so I won't be able to use that level again. But in any case, I won't be doing this call here, this put trade here. Why? Because we have a new upward pressure in mind. See, we have minor downtrend, minor uptrend, minor downtrend. Now we have minor uptrend, and you don't go against the trend. So instead of me to take my put trade here, I will wait. I will take my call trade. Yes, I'm going to take my call trade. Yes, I'm going to take the call trade because I saw the market reacting with this resistance line. You see this wick here? I saw the market reacting with it, so I went with the call trade. There is also, if this is this, this is a resistance has broken. Now it becomes a support, but at the same time there is also a resistance here. So this candlestick that I took, I should have waited for it to close above this. Yeah, I should have waited for this, but you see there is a fight going on here at this blue line. Let me make that at this blue line. Yes, at this blue line, let me make it white so that if we eventually check this at a lower time frame, you're going to see that there are so many candlesticks there that was kind of ranging. Let's see. Okay, you see, okay, it was a pullback. It was a pullback in a lower time frame. You see, after the breakout, there was a pullback and now the continuation. So this is how you trade with the support and resistance, on how you do the change of polarity, how you draw your levels when you trade like this for 1 minute. This is advanced trading. For, like I always say, for beginners traders, you should trade for 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. This is most likely if you know price action. So if you want to get the ebook, you can contact me. The ebook covers so many information that you will need, as from beginners to advanced learners. If you want to apply for mentorship, you can also apply me to become your mentor. The mentorship program takes between 1 to 3 months, and I can assure you, you can become consistently profitable and be taking trades just like you're seeing me doing right now. So until next time, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.